Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start using Chat GPT. And to do this you will need to go to this website chat.openai.com/out/login. So you can copy this address, then go for the login or sign up. You will need to, if you're using it for the first time, you will need to create an account. So click on sign up. Here, make sure that you have a unique number and you have access to this phone number, as it will be verified. So you can either create the account by using your email address, using Google or Microsoft accounts. Afterwards, when you're ready, you'll be able to log into your Chat GPT. So let me do it. Here we have the interface of the Chat GPT. You can read through all of this information. You can change the mode from light to dark, clear conversations. You go for the OpenAI Discord for some help if you need it. Read the updates and frequently asked questions, or log out from your account. Right here you have a new chat button so that you can create multiple chats. So you can save some conversations. And now to actually use it, click on new chat, and right here you have a text pool. So write actually whatever you want and see if the Chat GPT will answer. Keep in mind that it has a knowledge for around 2021, and probably if something is after 2021, he won't get that knowledge. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.